Most visitors decide whether to stay on your store in less than 5 seconds. And almost all of that decision happens right there, your hero section. Welcome to Foxify tutorial. In this video, we'll show you the most effective above-the-fold designs used by high-converting Shopify stores, and how you can easily build them using Foxify Page Builder. Before we dive in, let's quickly understand one important concept: above the fold. Above the fold refers to the part of your website that visitors see immediately when they land, without scrolling. This is your store's first impression, and it happens in seconds. This is where visitors decide if they stay, how they perceive your brand, and whether they take action. Let's start with the most popular hero section layouts you'll see in successful stores. Hero banner, a strong image paired with a headline and clear call to action. Split screen hero, product or offer on one side and supporting text, image on the other. Slideshow hero, rotating banners to showcase multiple messages or promotions. Video background hero, dynamic visuals that instantly capture attention. Banner grids, ideal for highlighting multiple categories or promotions at once. Countdown timer, creates urgency and encourages faster action. Image with text, a simple layout to clearly communicate your value proposition. Featured content, a collection of standout content curated to inform and inspire. These are all available as pre-made sections inside Foxify, so you don't have to build from scratch. So what makes a hero section actually convert? It comes down to a simple formula. First, a clear value proposition, so people instantly get what you're offering and why it matters. Next, a strong call to action, something bold, easy to see, and easy to click. Then, high-quality visuals, images or videos that really grab attention and stop the scroll. Keep your layout simple and clean, so nothing distracts from your main message. And finally, add a bit of urgency when it makes sense, to create that FOMO and encourage people to act faster. Now that we know what makes a high-converting hero section, let's build one step by step in Foxify. First, go to wireframes and choose a hero section. Then add your images and text, customize your button, and don't forget to drop in a countdown timer to create a sense of urgency. Next, head over to Design sections and pick a featured content section. From there, you can customize the banners and buttons so everything matches your brand and message. And finally, make sure to check your design on tablet and mobile view, just to ensure everything looks good on all devices. And that's it, you now have a complete, visually engaging above-the-fold design that not only looks great but also drives conversions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Foxify tips. See you in the next video.